Good morning, I am Attorney Remdel Zade Humarang, a litigation lawyer for 2 years.
Who qualifies for bail?
Who qualifies for bail? Every person has the right to avail bail.
Can bail ever be denied?
A bail can be denied only if the two conditions are present. First, if the evidence of guilt is strong, and second, if the penalty imposable for the crime is reclusion perpetua.
What makes this right important to the process?
Bail is important to satisfy the requirement of due process because due process requires the notice and hearing requirement. If a person is not charged of a crime that has the imposable penalty of reclusion perpetua, and if the evidence of guilt is not strong, then a person has the right to be heard and to be notified of the charge filed against him or her. Hence, the availment of bail is necessary.